Hey guys, what is up?
Hey!
Stersyd over here, and we are here at Motology. They are releasing a new set of helmets, Rpha 11 series.
The Minion!
The Minion, yes. It was supposed to be not a spoiler. But now, they are releasing new helmets right now, the Rpha 11 Minion Otto or Otto Minion. So for those who are Minion fans, come check it out at Motology. They will be releasing it by July 27 on Tuesday. And they will also be releasing the Alien Rpha 11 and some other Rpha 11 carbon. So we are here in Motology Streetscape. This is near Maria Luisa. So come check them out and we'll show you around their store and also show you guys the Minion helmets. Alright? Alright guys, so we are here at Motology. Let's go in and we'll show you around what's in store for you if you come here in Motology. Let's go! So the first thing you'll see is they have an array of helmets. They do have full suits. Their brand is Spike and HJC line here. One of my favorite designs, the Carnage Rpha 11 and Monster. They also have some half-face HJC helmets if you're into that. So they also have the Rpha 70. It's a lower version of Rpha 11. And also some boots. If you're looking for high-cut boots to protect your feet, they do also have Augie boots. And we have here also Photography doing his thing. All this stuff. And they also have trail boots right here. For those who guys wants to go to trail, they have it here. And other Augie boots, high cut, and Rpha 70s. So right over here, they do have some shirts and jackets. This is a must, guys. You need to wear some jackets if you guys want to go riding. So they have different brands. What I see is also Spike and they also have some pants, also Spike brands, and some jerseys from some motovloggers and Jetly and Oz Racing. It's actually a local brand. You guys might want to check them out as well. So they also have some bags. Of course, when you're riding, you might want to bring some stuff, water, or maybe if you're a motovlogger like me, you need some protected bags that will offer you protection for your gear. And they have premium and nice brands here. Kriga R3, just a belt bag. And some other things that you need for your motorcycles, guys. They have an array of items here that you can check out here in Motology. And they also have another branch, or their main branch, in Reclamation area. Alright, so come check them out. And in a while, we will be unboxing the new helmets, the Rpha 11 Minions, and also the Rpha 11 Aliens. So, come check it out. So guys, this is what you are waiting for, the unboxing of the Rpha 11 Otto Minion and the Rpha 11 Aliens. So, we do have here our motovlogger, or rather, our Motology employees who will assist us in unboxing, alright?
Hello, I'm Nino.
Nino from Motology and also his friend Nicole. What is up? Oh, Nick lang for short. Alright, so we'll be unboxing the Aliens first.
Okay.
So I see it's already all black.
Yeah, I get that. All black.
So we have here double XL.
Okay, so we have the owner's manual.
Which we don't read.
Yeah, don't read.
And the stickers here too.
Yeah, 3 stickers.
HJC.
And then, aside from the helmet, we have free pin lock. here, free dark smoke lens, the pin lock, and then open up the helmet.
So you guys, if you like black color, this will definitely satisfy your black cravings. I love the bag. Comes with the Aliens logo.
Yeah, it's
Custom.
Here.
And there it is. Rpha 11. So guys, this helmet is it's somehow already premium. It's 29,000, or how much are you guys selling it?
Around that.
29 to 30,000.
Yeah.
And with this helmet, it's very well ventilated. It has 10 vents, which will really keep your head cool, especially if you're going long rides and if you're into track. Definitely this will help you out. It's DOT rated and ECE, so definitely this will keep your head safe. And let's come closer. Comes with another lens, a smoke lens, and they will change it so that you can see how it looks like with the smoke lens. And I'm pretty sure it will look awesome, definitely, with the smoke lens. All right. So as you can see, it's very simple to pop it in, and there you go. It didn't even take 5 seconds. It took like 2 seconds, and boom, there you go. The Venom. Oh no, Venom. It's not Venom. It's Alien. It's right there. Aliens at the back.
So actually, if you feel the design, it's like having a 3D. Try to touch it.
Oh, so if you guys touch it, there's actually a texture to it. You can feel the bumps of the design. So it's like you can feel the alien, the design of the alien really on your fingers. So looks really nice and glossy type. So you can see they have multiple vents that will keep your head cool when riding your motorcycle, which is very important, guys. I would highly suggest you get a Rpha 11, especially if you're into long rides. Also, if you're into sports bike, since the way the helmet is designed, it's really good for people who are semi-aggressive riding. And with the price range, definitely you won't go wrong in getting this helmet, guys. Okay? Of course, this is the Minions. As you can see, klaro juga yung the Minions logo right there.
So these helmets are limited edition, so you can't really find it anywhere.
All right. So how many helmets are you expecting to be sold here in Cebu?
Probably 10, 15.
So guys, 10 only. And I'm sure there's already a lot of people waiting for it. So remember the date, guys. Tuesday, July 27. Get your helmets. First come, first serve.
Yeah, first come, first serve. Okay, so same goes with Aliens. We have the owner's manual, the free stickers. Then same, we have free lens, dark smoke lens, and the usual pin lock.
All right. Keep your visor out of that protects you from the fog.
Yeah. So same with the Aliens. We also have custom name here on the side. Here it goes.
So guys, if you come over here in the store, definitely these guys will help you out in choosing the right helmet, the right fit, because no matter how expensive your helmet is, if it doesn't fit you right, it will not do its purpose. So talk to these guys and they will assist you. Okay, let's go.
There we go. So that's Otto Minions.
So in the previous helmet, it's actually glossy, but for this is matte.
Yeah, it's a matte
so
finish.
Matte finish. A lot of people like the matte finish.
Actually, because it's easier to clean. Aside from that, the scratch is manageable. Aside from the the gloss ones. So they prefer it, the matte ones. So we'll replace the lens.
Yep, this is how you guys replace it. It won't even take you a minute, guys. Boom, this pops right in. Very quick and easy.
Go.
So later we'll have a closer look with these helmets.
So with the locks, it's gold here. Same with the other premium helmets.
Smells
Then-
premium.
Yeah, it's premium. Then same inner pads. But this has a premium look. Over here, it's like Louis Vuitton in the inside.
Ah, that one. They said that it looks like a Louis Vuitton. Actually, guys, if you look closely, it doesn't. It's not really Louis Vuitton, but if you look from afar, you might get fooled. Louis Vuitton.
It's just HJC.
HJC. All right.
So we'll unbox other. We also have the carbons, Rpha 11 carbon and the Rpha 90s. So Rpha 11 carbon still the same as this, but for Rpha 90s, it's the modular ones, modular helmet.
All right. So guys, we'll be unboxing more helmets. So if you're into Rpha 11 and also other HJC products, definitely come over here in Mathology. They have it for you, okay? So let's wait for them to get the other helmets. 90.
Then dual bucks or.
So guys, these are the other line of helmets that Motology is releasing. The Rpha 90. And prices range from 20,000 to 27, depends on the design. Because they do have the full carbon right here on the second one. It's modular, so you can open up. And they also have another Rpha 11, which is the also carbon, color gray. So, how light are these helmets? Like, these are carbon, so I think it's at the back.
So it's lighter than you expect. So here.
It's 1,300 grams. That's very light, actually. Is it the same with the Otto and Minion?
Yeah, it's the same with Otto and.
So guys, of course, the lighter the helmet, your neck won't hurt that much. It's easier to move around, and you will not go wrong with getting one of these helmets. Both these helmets are ECE and DOT. So this will assure you that your heads are safe as well. And they do offer quick release. For all of these helmets as well for the previous ones, they do offer quick release in case you get into an accident and you need to remove your helmet as quickly as possible. So you can see it on the bottom. Right there, emergency helmet, quick release. So there you go. Yes, sir. So guys, those were the helmets that Motology is releasing on Tuesday. That's July 27. Don't miss that out because a lot of people are coming and looking for these helmets. So as you can see here, all of these helmets will be available on Tuesday, July 27. So guys, come over here at Streetscape Motology. They'll be open by 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and talk to Nicole. He'll be the one to assist you, to help you get the right helmet for your head. So yeah, this is it for today, guys. See you on the next vlog and ride safe.